the low cut panty arrived yesterday, and you've seen my sore face. I've got scared while unboxing, so be prepared. This is the low cut panty they have sent me, and yes, it does not fit into my screen. It is huge. They've said that this is the size that I should be wearing according to the measurements in the size table, but generally speaking it should be 4 sizes smaller. So to give you something to compare it with, here I have another sample of a hipster that is in the size that I'm wearing, and as you can see, the difference is huge. Of course, hipster is a low panty, so to speak, and the I want to do the high waist one, but still 4 sizes difference. Difficult to evaluate, means that I need to return it and get another one in the right size so that I can evaluate. When developing a fashion product, 2 things are gold. 1 is patience and 2 is focus. So follow me on my journey while I'm launching my own fashion brand while life is happening to me. We are still waiting for 2 more test samples to arrive so that we can see. Maybe we want to do a medium cut and high cut. I really hope that the sizing of those will be good. I hope that I will fall in love with those 2 and that we don't need this low one, but who knows. Anyway, I'm going to exchange it. It's way too large and difficult for me to evaluate if it is not the size that I'm wearing. So the show goes on.